Yo, what's up guys? Small update on my car. Looks like I'm not going to Dyno pretty soon. I have to fix some issues with the car, like power steering is not working, the voltage is kind of low, so have to fix those parts and some other bits. But anyway, decided so I'm gonna continue filming, so check them out. Got new taillights. Yeah, that was a present from my wife. So installed them like facelift. And today also have this upgrade. KWs V3. So going to install them and see how they look. Perfect way to spend Sunday. So here it is, how it looks right now. It's alright, but I hope it's gonna be a little bit lower this time. Anyway, let's see how it goes. Alright, so wheels are off. So I think it have to be this bolt have to go out, and then I will be able to drop it down, and there is nuts upstairs. And of course this one, which holding the shock right now. About the rear, there is 3 on top, 1 here, and I will have to somehow drop it down. Not sure how I'm gonna do it, but I think I will find solution. So let's get going. Alright, so after like 40 minutes it's removed, front and backs, and here is my old Bilsteins. To be honest with you, I really like them, but the problem is the front always sits too high, and I heard that KW Coilovers is like really good on soft setting, so maybe they will run perfect on the street. So right now what I have to do is I'm not gonna mess up with the heights, but definitely have to adjust how soft they are. So here is one settings, and over here. So yeah, today actually, you know guys, I think I lost my GoPro 5 because I don't know where it is. So I'll try to put it this way. I don't know, will you see me or no? But I will try to adjust them. With KW you get things like this, and like this. So let's scroll down to the softest settings, and I heard like KW, wait, let me put it this way. Yeah, KW doesn't recommend to drive on completely soft, so we're gonna add 2 clicks this way, and we're gonna do the same procedure with all colors. 1, 2. One, two, and this one. 1, 2. All right, so done with this part. Now let's check compression settings. Never did it before. Alright, I think that's it. So 1, 2, and we're gonna do the same with all this. I'm not sure, you know. Oh, alright, so one and two. That's it. I think that's enough. Alright, so this one, have to turn them back to stock settings, and then of course I'm gonna adjust them a little bit more when I'm gonna start driving the car. 1 and 2. Alright, so, and the last one. I hope the clearance of the car is gonna look great, because so I don't have to mess with the heights also, but we'll see. Alright, so yeah, it was like pretty hard. So 1, 2. Alright, so now time to install them, and let's see how it goes. I hope it's gonna be another 40 minutes and I'm done. So after an hour, look. Well, basically it wasn't like really hard, so just really like one after another, releasing bolts and then putting back together. And I had to use this thing to put everything back. Well, by basically everything set, everything is tied up, and I think I have to put the wheels and see how it looks like, and maybe finally my front of my car gonna look lower. Anyway, let's check. Moment of truth. Let's see how it looks like. To be honest with you, I can drop it a little bit lower. Well, looks good, looks good. Yo, so Coilovers is installed, and I think in my next video I gonna work with those ones. Yeah, so I hope I'm gonna get my new rear calipers. I'm gonna paint them and I'm gonna install them. About Dyno, I'm not sure when it's gonna happen, because found a lot of stuff that I have to fix. I think it's never gonna end, but anyway, one day, you know, one day the car gonna be tuned and ready for summer. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Peace. See you next time.